In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a scheduling, appointment, or booking system to your Wix.com website. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional booking system integrated into your Wix site. To begin, you'll need to open your Wix website editor. This is where you'll be making all the necessary modifications and additions to incorporate the booking system. Once you're inside the editor, look for the option that allows you to add apps. This is generally found in the left sidebar, and it's the gateway to integrating many dynamic features into your site. Now, in the app marketplace search bar, type in Wix Booking. This search will direct you to the Wix Booking app, which is essential for creating an effective scheduling system on your site. Click on the app that comes up in the results. It should be labeled as Wix Booking. Once you have selected the Wix Booking app, proceed to add it to your site by clicking on the Add to Site button. This action will initiate the integration of the booking system into your Wix platform. After successfully adding the app, you are prompted to start configuring your booking services. Following that, click on Add a New Service. This option will allow you to set up the type of bookings you want to offer, whether they're services, appointments, or sessions. When you click on Appointment, you can create an individual service booking. Alternatively, you can click on Class if you are providing group sessions or course for a multi-session offering. Next, you may notice an option to highlight certain services. Utilize this feature to emphasize key offerings that might be more popular or essential to your business. Clicking on Highlight allows you to bring attention to these services on your website. Your next step is to click on Get Booked Online. This button will enable the online booking functionality, ensuring that your visitors can interact with your scheduling system directly on your site. After that, add your services and start taking bookings by clicking on the respective option. This will save your settings and officially activate your booking options for public use. Now, to ensure that your services align with your business operations, click on Create Your First Service. Here, you can specify details like duration, price, and availability. Don't forget to click on Set Your Work Hours. This is crucial for synchronizing your booking system with your actual business hours, ensuring accurate scheduling. Finally, to facilitate seamless transactions, click on Connect Payment Methods. This step will integrate your preferred payment gateways, making it easy for clients to pay for services directly through your website. By following these steps, you'll have successfully installed a professional booking system on your Wix site, ready to enhance customer engagement and streamline your service offerings.